Over 300 million tons of plastic are produced every year. And did you know that a huge chunk of this ends up in landfills? But what if we could turn the tide? What if we could reduce the plastic waste by simply recycling more of it at home? Well, we can, and we must. These vibrant bottle planters add a playful touch to your space while giving new life to recycled materials. Here's how it's done. Transform them into adorable pencil holders for your desk. These pencil holders not only add a touch of whimsy to your workspace, but also provide a sustainable alternative to traditional ceramic or wooden holders. These DIY watering cans are not only environmentally friendly, but also perfect for indoor and outdoor plants. Eco-bricks are simply plastic bottles tightly packed with plastic waste, creating dense blocks that can be used for furniture, garden edging, and even walls in some areas. By incorporating these projects into your daily routine, you can significantly reduce plastic waste, conserve resources, and minimize your carbon footprint. And who knows, you might just discover a new hobby or find creative ways to repurpose everyday items. So go ahead, unleash your creativity, have fun, and join the movement towards a more sustainable lifestyle. Together, we can make a difference. Remember, small actions lead to big changes. Thank you for joining us on this journey to reuse plastic at home. Until next time, keep recycling, keep crafting, and keep inspiring others to live sustainably. Stay creative, stay curious, and keep reusing. Here's a step-by-step guide to make an Begin by collecting clean and dry plastic waste such as bottle caps, straws, bags, or wrappers. Rinse the plastic waste to remove any dirt or contaminants. Then stuff the plastic waste into a plastic bottle. You can use a funnel to help with the stuffing process. Continue filling the bottle until it's almost full, leaving a little space for air. Twist the cap tightly to secure the contents and prevent leakage. Repeat the process until you have the desired number of These bricks can be used for various DIY projects, such as making garden seats, planters, or even building small walls. They're a great way to reuse plastic waste and reduce your environmental impact. Additionally, eco-bricks can be combined with other materials like sawdust or clay to enhance their strength and durability. So why not give it a try? By making eco-bricks, you can contribute to a cleaner environment and create unique items for your home or community. Here's how to transform a plastic jug into a watering can. Start by selecting a clean and empty plastic jug. Rinse it thoroughly to remove any residue and let it dry completely. Now let's add some functionality. Poke several small holes in the cap of the jug. The size of the holes will determine the water flow. Use a pencil or a thin nail to make the holes. Next, consider decorating your watering can. Personalize it with markers, paint, or adhesive vinyl. You can also wrap twine or yarn around the handle for a more rustic look. To use your DIY watering can, simply fill it with water and squeeze the jug to dispense the water. The holes in the cap will provide gentle watering for your plants. These DIY watering cans are lightweight, durable, and easy to use. They're perfect for watering delicate seedlings or providing moisture to established garden beds. Here's how it's done. Start by gathering your materials. You'll need plastic cups or small plastic bottles, a sharp blade or scissors, ruler, tape measure, glue stick, decorative materials like washi tape, stickers or fabric scraps, and of course, a pencil. Begin by rinsing the cups or bottles thoroughly, and then let's get cutting. Decide on the height you want for your pencil holder and use a ruler or tape measure to mark the cutting line. Use a sharp blade or scissors to cut the plastic, making sure to cut evenly to ensure stability. Now it's time to personalize your pencil holder. Use a glue stick to attach decorative elements such as washi tape, stickers, or fabric scraps to the exterior of the pencil holder. Get creative and have fun with this step, making each pencil holder unique. Once the glue has dried, your DIY pencil holder is ready to use. Fill it with your favorite pens, pencils, markers, and other desk accessories. These holders are not only practical, but also a great conversation starter. They're perfect for adding a splash of color and personality to your desk, bookshelf, or kitchen counter. First, grab a plastic bottle, rinse it out thoroughly, and let's get cutting. And by recycling plastic bottles, you can create a sustainable way to feed our feathered friends. Plus, it's a fun and easy DIY project. Here's how it works. Take a plastic bottle, rinse it thoroughly, and then let's get cutting. Use a pair of scissors or a utility knife to cut out a side opening in the bottle. This opening should be large enough for birds to comfortably perch and feed. Next, add some natural elements like twigs or pine cones to the cut opening. This creates a perch for the birds to rest on while they eat. Alternatively, you can cut the handle of the bottle to form a perch. Now let's fill our DIY bird feeder. Fill the bottle with birdseed. Choose a variety of seeds to attract different types of birds to your yard. You can use a funnel to make it easier to fill the bottle. Once it's filled, secure the lid to prevent any spillage. Finally, it's time to hang your bird feeder. Find a suitable location, such as a tree branch or a hook in your garden. Hang the feeder at a height that makes it accessible to birds, but not easily reachable by predators. Sit back and enjoy the sight of birds visiting your recycled plastic bottle feeder. Remember to keep it filled with fresh bird seed and clean it regularly to ensure the well-being of our feathered friends. Use a sharp blade or scissors to cut the bottle into 2 equal halves. Now let's add some functionality. Use a drill or a nail to make a few small holes in the bottom of the planter for drainage. This will ensure your plants stay healthy and prevent waterlogging. Next, let your creativity shine. You can paint the entire surface of the planter with acrylic paints or use markers for a more artistic touch. Add patterns, designs, or even inspirational quotes to make each planter unique. Don't forget to let the paint dry completely before proceeding. To complete the transformation, we'll need some string or wire for hanging. Securely attach the string or wire to the top of the planter, making sure it is strong enough to hold the weight of the planter when it is filled with soil and plants. And that's it. Your recycled plastic bottle planter is ready to add some greenery to your home. Fill it with your favorite plants and hang it in a spot that receives adequate sunlight. Not only do you have a one-of-a-kind planter, but you've also reduced plastic waste. If you want to get fancy, consider adding a layer of pebbles or small stones to the drainage holes. This can help with aeration and provide additional support for the roots. For a more rustic look, try wrapping twine around the neck of the bottle before attaching the hanger. Get creative with colors, patterns, and designs to match your personal style and add a pop of color to your outdoor space. Hey guys, today we're diving into easy DIY ideas to recycle plastic at home. We'll transform ordinary plastic items into extraordinary creations that are not only functional, but also stylish. Ready to turn trash into treasure? Let's get crafting. One of the easiest and most creative ways to reuse plastic bottles is by turning them into hanging planters. Next up is a fantastic way to reuse plastic cups or small plastic bottles, which are often difficult to recycle. Did you know that plastic bottles make excellent bird feeders? Plastic jugs like milk or detergent containers have a second life as watering cans. Plastic bottles, caps, straws, and other plastic waste can be transformed into eco-bricks for various uses around your home or community. Well, there you have it. 5 fantastic DIY ideas to reuse plastic items around your home.